What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on PLTR stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you that Palantir has a partnership with the Pepsico and Coca-Cola companies. And I will show you how you can identify new contracts of Palantir. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here, at this point, and I've told you that we had a bounce almost from the golden pocket range, and because of this bounce we might have the leg to the upside, then we might have another leg to the downside in order to complete the ABC correction. And as you can see, let me switch to hourly time frame in order to see it more properly. And as you can see, we hit this range of resistance, and I've marked this range as the major ranges that might be a pivotal point for this asset. And we had this rollover, but instead of moving lower, we have the next leg to the upside that basically broke these two previous highs. Technically, it is a quite good movement, but it doesn't have enough volume to be confirmed as the next major trend. And that's why we have to be cautious. And if I switch to 4 hours time frame, as you can see, the volume right here is lower than it was previously on this movement to the downside. And we have a slight increase in volume during this movement to the upside. But the last red volume of this candle is the highest one among these several bars. And this means we are not out of the woods, and on a 4 hours time frame, as you can see, we don't have any candles that were opened and closed above this range of resistance. That's why it is just an attempt to break this range, and we have to be cautious with our position. So I will continue with my technical analysis in just several minutes, and for now let me show you some interesting news and let me teach you how you can identify new contracts of Palantir. So I've told you on my previous video that you can find any subdomains of basically any existing domain, and right here you can find that Palantir Foundry has plenty of subdomains. And I've told you on my previous video that some of them are well known as the existing contracts. For example, Trafigura, and you can find that on May 24th, Palantir and Trafigura announced collaboration to deliver supply chain carbon emissions platform to market. Some of these partnerships are basically unknown, completely unknown, and as you can see, you might find GM company, Hertz, or basically Intel as a partnership, and right here I've told you that even a Tesla might be a partnership of Palantir Foundry. And definitely this list is very impressive, and let me show you how you can identify new contracts. If I select the entire list of these subdomains, and let me show it you like this, then copy it and paste it in the simple Google document. And right here, as you can see, we have, let me show it to you. We have 267 subdomains, and let me make it more clear. So, and if you sort this list from A to Z, as you can see, we have plenty of companies, and I found some interesting detail. So, if I show you this, Pepsico.palantirfoundry.com, and you all know that Pepsico is one of the biggest and the most known companies that produces drinks. And I thought, what about Coca-Cola company? And I didn't find the Coca-Cola right here on the C letter, but I found this one. Let me show it you more thoroughly. It is, oh wait a second, CCHBC, as you can see right here. And CCHBC is nothing else but the Coca-Cola HBC. And this means Pepsico and Coca-Cola companies are partners of Palantir Foundry. And I have to say that on my next video I will add the new list of their subdomains, and we will find how many new companies Palantir acquired as their customer. And definitely in this case we will be able to find new companies and new partners of Palantir before anyone else on the planet. And definitely it is very exciting to know what might be the next step and next announcement of Palantir. So, and let me show you another news. On the marketbeat.com we have a couple of new ratings, and one of them was published on July 21st and one of them was published on July 22nd. And the second one is the downgrade from buy to neutral without any specific price targets. But the previous one was made by Raymond James, and he made his first coverage of this company, and he set his price target to $20 with the upside potential of around 100%. And let me show you what did he say about Palantir. After failing 73% from its early 2021 peak, said the 5-star analyst Raymond James, we see the risk to reward as compelling for a software business with a roughly 30% growth rate, gross margin structure in the 80% range with escalating contribution margins, and a balanced commercial and government customer mix. And definitely this statement from the 5-star analyst is quite promising, and you have to rely on these numbers as one of the sources of your due diligence, because you have to know what professional analysts think about Palantir, and in this case you will be able to make your own decision related to this company. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, I have to say that if I clean the chart a little bit, as you can see, we can connect these three bottoms with the line, and in this case we will see some kind of support range that holds pretty good right now. And with this rollover, we might have a bounce to the upside, first of all from these two yellow lines, from the ranges from $9.42 to $9.48. And if this asset breaks these two ranges, we might have a bounce from this range of support that is connecting these three bottoms. And in this case, if we will have the bounce, and we already have this breakout above this previous swing high, we will completely eliminate this ABC correction. But everything will depend on their volume. And I have to say that we might hover for quite some time in between these ranges, in between $10.6 and $9.35. Until their earnings report will be published. And on the earnings report data, we might see the next major leg, and this leg might be either way. But I have to say that in general, we can see, let me switch to daily time frame. We can see very good movement. Let me clean the chart a little bit. We can see very good movement from its lowest point of $6.4 right here. And if the volume will confirm the next leg to the upside, and if we will break several previous swing highs, it will pretty much confirm the uptrend, and this will confirm that $6.44 was the lowest point of Palantir, and from this range we might see much higher targets. So, I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go.